Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge your Brawl Stars account. So let's get started right away. Now if you have been playing the Brawl Stars game for a while and you wish to merge this current progress with your pre-existing account from a previous gameplay on Brawl Stars, then first of all open up the Brawl Stars game and from the main menu, tap on the menu icon at the top right corner. You will now see the settings option. You can just tap on this option and you will see the Supercell ID button. Go ahead and tap on it and you will see the option to log in. Tap on the login button and then tap on continue. You will now be allowed to enter your email address. Just enter the email address that is associated with your old account within which you have your saved progress. After entering this email, tap on the login button and you will receive a verification code within this email address. Just check your inbox and enter the verification code within the following screen, and after proceeding forward with your verification, you will be logged into your new account. After you are logged in, you will immediately be asked whether you would like to merge your current game progress or only keep the old one. You can tap on the merge option and this will merge both of your game and your progress as well as your achievements. And there you have it. That is how you can proceed with merging your accounts on the Brawl Stars game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.